Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a tunnel cover. You get a tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear. We get a side bed step as well. You just push that out and it will come out for you, which is pretty nice. A nice gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, spotlight, and heated door mirrors. And moving to the front here, we get a nice black hood deflector. We got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior. You got cup holders, you got 12-volt rear vents, 2 USBs, and 110 volt. And we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a powered driver's seat as well as a powered passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You got your spotlights, lights, parking brake pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 96,087 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with the volume, playback, play forward mode, mute voice and phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can then go through display mode, trip and field, towing, off-road, and other settings. To my right, got our speeds, your drive modes, which do include normal, tow and haul, snow and wet, eco, and sport. Continue our look here, we get tons of storage, cup holders, you got some outlets down here, and it does close. You got your center console with more storage underneath. Got a trailer brake, trailer back up assist, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive. Heated front seats with climate controls just right there. 12 volt and 110. Storage below. And on the dash with a nice powered rear window opener. Got our tractions, hazards, and auto stop auto start with your media controls just right here. Got navigation, audio, phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We get our phone controls right here as well. Your navigation, any apps you may download will show up right here as well. And your settings such as your Bluetooth, Ford Pass, voice control, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35294C, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.